This video, as you are seeing on your screen, is Nana Yao, a Effiduase Sokore chief priest, who is performing on your screen. Yes, Nana Yao is seriously in the spirit performing. I don't know if you have ever seen this before, but I tell you, whenever you see them dancing this way, never think that they are just dancing. They are responding to spirit. It's Nana Adutwumwaa, a queen mother who is celebrating her age anniversary. And she is the reason why all these chief priests are here performing in honor. Let's say if someone is celebrating her birthday, as in the way they would do a party, organize music and other stuff, but in Ashanti region, or talking of the Ashanti culture, this is how the Queen Mother is celebrating her birthday, inviting all the chief priests to pray and also to celebrate the birthday with. Welcome to NYANSAPO TV. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and press on the notification button so whenever we drop a video, you will be the first to have it. And also, we say thank you very much if you are already a subscriber to our YouTube channel. You don't know how proud we are having you part of our community. On today's video, as you are seeing on your screen, the man you are seeing him displaying with dancing moves is Nana Yao, Effiduase Asokore chief priest. As you can see him dancing. I've always been saying that if you see or if you ever see them dancing this way, never just think they are dancing, but then they are responding to a spiritual tune. Yes. And this is Nana Adutwumwaa, Effiduase Asokore, Queen Mother, who is celebrating her 80th anniversary. And she is the reason why all these chief priests are here to honor the Queen Mother.